In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Excel files in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a single clean table built from multiple workbooks in a folder, ready for reporting and visuals. This approach is perfect for monthly exports, regional files, or any repeating template you collect over time, and it saves you from copy and paste headaches. Start by launching Power BI Desktop and opening your existing report file. You can use a blank report or an existing model. Either works. Once the report is open, make sure you're on the Home tab. That's where all the data connection tools live, and it's where we'll set up the folder connection that automatically gathers your Excel files. Click Get Data, then choose Folder from the list of sources. This tells Power BI to look at a directory rather than a single file. Browse to the folder that contains your Excel workbooks and select Open. A quick tip here. Keep this folder tidy. Only include files you want to combine, and make sure each workbook follows the same structure, ideally the same columns, in the same order, with consistent headers. Using Excel tables or a consistent worksheet name across files makes this process far more reliable. After connecting, you'll see a window listing the files found in that folder. You can review names, extensions, and modify dates to confirm you're pulling in the right set. When you're ready, click Combine, then choose Combine and Transform Data. This option opens the Power Query Editor, giving you a chance to verify and adjust the data before loading it into your model. In the Combine Files dialog, select a sample file, which is typically the first file in the list. Then choose the specific worksheet or table you want to extract from every file. If your workbooks use structured tables, pick the table. It's more robust than relying on a sheet. If you're using sheets, select the one that contains the data you need. You'll see a preview that shows how Power BI will interpret the data. Confirm that headers, column types, and rows look as expected. Power BI will create a set of helper queries and a combined query that appends all matching data into a single table in the Power Query Editor. Take a moment to scan the results. If columns are consistent across files, everything should line up cleanly. Mismatched or missing columns will show as nulls. When you're satisfied, click Close and Apply. Your combined table is loaded into the model, and future refreshes will include any new files you add to that folder following the same structure. That's all you need to quickly consolidate multiple Excel files in Power BI.